I was hoping to set up well before dark, but it is what it is. As it happens, I got sent a product that may end up helping out a lot tonight. So, I literally just received this a couple of days ago. This is the Helian Mini Cat, and it's, as you can see, it's an LED light strip, but it's not like fairy lights that you might string up around your tent. It's a thick, heavy-duty rubber strip that's got LED emitters in it, and it comes with a battery pack that powers it. You can plug it into the car, or you can run it off its own battery pack. And it's very fortuitous that I got it tonight, because let me show you how I normally light up at night. Headlamp. And that little magnetic light. And if that seemed a little intensely bright, you can dim it to whatever amount of light you want just by holding your finger on that little button right there. Brighten it up. You can dim it down. So I can still see plenty well, but it's probably maybe half as much light as it was before. I strung it up on whatever was available. I put a clamp right there and just sort of looped it over some things. It gives me some nice area light for the campsite. I might have to experiment with it and figure out what works best. Maybe a couple of more clamps. Just having the light strung up around the outside is bringing plenty of light to the inside. I can see inside perfectly well. Anyway, I gotta find another sweater. It is getting cold out here. I was gonna set up the awnings and make a nice pretty campsite, but it's really cold, it's dark, so I'm just gonna focus on getting a campfire going. And I didn't bring wood because generally the Forest Service likes you to use local wood rather than bringing out of area wood. And I really thought I'd have more time to stop and snag some wood. So I gotta see if I can find some firewood and get a fire going, because, ooh, it is cold. Light is so nice. Well, it's been a long day. I think I'm gonna chill for a minute before I think about dinner. That feels good. So I have to admit, I was a little tentative about accepting another product, an LED product. And I told them, you may want to watch the video that I'm about to put out. And they said, no, it's cool, you're gonna love it. This is the first time I've used it, and so far, let me tell you, I'm thrilled. I'm much happier about it than I thought I would be. It seemed a little gimmicky at first. I mean, a string of lights, but it's pretty cool. It works really well. It gives me a lot of light around the campsite, which I can easily just put wherever. And it's nice that it runs on its own little battery. The battery pack that it comes with also has USB outputs, so you can charge your phone. The lights can be plugged into a 12-volt plug. It comes with a plug that goes into a 12-volt outlet in your car. So you can run them off your car battery. I think the price is around $80 for the kit, which is not normally something that I would buy in my sort of low-budget, do-it-yourself approach. But it does come with that battery pack, which is a useful thing that goes beyond just simply the lights. And this thing is remarkably sturdy. It is thick, pliable rubber. Here's another thing I'm loving about these lights. Look how well you can see. It's great for the video.
What are you making?
This is definitely a cheap, easy dinner. Bag of pot stickers from Trader Joe's. It's like $3, and Lucy actually already ate some of them. She just left me enough for my dinner tonight. Bottle of this sweet chili sauce. It's like $2, and I'll only use a tiny little bit of it. We'll use the rest of it at home. I know some people prefer pot stickers steamed, or Lucy even prefers them in the microwave. But I like them in the pan like this because they get crispy on the outside, and you just have to heat them kind of nice and slow so the heat gets all the way through and they crisp up.